in the coming era for AI will empower everyone to build AI systems for themselves. And I think that will be an incredibly exciting future.
I think scientific method is the greatest sort of invention humans have ever come up with. You know, the Enlightenment and scientific discovery, that's what's built this incredible modern civilization around us and all the tools that we use. So I think it's the best technique we have for understanding the enormity of the universe around us.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, Rocky. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm awesome. Listen, I got some huge news.
Oh, do tell. I'm all ears.
Well, in a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. Have you heard of them?
OpenAI? Huh? Sounds vaguely familiar. Kidding, of course. That's incredible, Rocky. What kind of interview?
Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Artificial intelligence. These are two words that are changing our world as we know it. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone understands your voice commands? Or how self-driving cars navigate busy streets? How about the way online services seem to know exactly what you want to watch or buy? That's all thanks to the power of AI. My name is Dhaval, and I'm a 16-year-old high school student. Ever since I was a little kid, I've always been passionate about innovation, technology, and most importantly, artificial intelligence. And since it's been my dream to study at Harvard University, pursuing a computer science degree, I decided to open up this YouTube channel, AI for Everyone, not only as a passion project to enhance my own knowledge in AI, but to make this information more accessible and free to everyone, regardless of their age, background, or knowledge in technology. And I'll be embarking on this adventure not by myself, but my little pet companion, or pet robot, named Nova. Say hi to our audience, Nova.
Hello.
On this channel, Nova and I will make learning AI fun and accessible for everyone. We'll dive into everything from the basic to advanced concepts, fun projects, and the latest in tech news. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.